Hi guys, welcome to my latest YouTube video. We're here looking at IGTV today. Instagram has the latest updates and I'm here to bring them to you. So we're going to be talking about video. Woo! So I'm just going to put this down. So my name is Anita Wong and I'm a Facebook and Instagram marketing expert, and I'm here to help you understand how to use the tools at your fingertips to make your marketing strategy a lot easier. Okay, so this part of the video is going to show you how you can add an existing IGTV video to a series, whether that be a series you've already created or a new series. So Instagram introduced the series for your IGTV, and this is going to show you how you can utilize this new series function in your Instagram strategy. So here I am on my Instagram account. Give me a like and a follow if you feel like catching my IGTV videos in the future. On your profile page, you will see you have your 9 squares, and then next to that you will have an IGTV tab. This IGTV tab is only there if you have a current IGTV account. Now, if you don't have an IGTV account, then you can catch my video here on how to open your own Instagram TV account and also how to upload your first video here on my Instagram's IGTV account. So once you are inside this IGTV tab here, we are going to add our existing videos to the series. So as you can see here on the left, it says series. If I click that, I already have a Facebook Biz Page help series. And if I click that again, I've started to add some of my videos into it. So I want to create a new series for my IGTV videos. So I need to go to the IGTV video I want to show first. So what happens is that at the moment, because it's quite a new update from Instagram, they are not allowing you to reorder your videos once they are inside your IGTV series. So you have to put your videos in the order that you want them to be listed. So they are episodic. For example, if I click how to open your own Instagram TV account, it's going to open up, and I'm just going to pause it there. Down the very bottom, you have your heart, your question, your conversation, and your aeroplane. And then next to that, you have these 3 little dots. If you click those 3 little dots, you then have to go to the edit function. So you're going to click edit, and there, underneath the title and the description, it says IGTV series, add to series. You want to go ahead and click that. Now, I want to create a new series for my current IGTV videos that are inside my account at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and click the plus sign next to the new series. This is going to give me the options to name my series, and also, if I wish, give my series a title. So I'm going to name my series IGTV Hacks. Okay, and then I'm going to give my series a description. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the create button on the top right hand corner. This is going to create my new IGTV Updates and Hacks series. Now, the video that I used to allow me to add this series into my IGTV account will automatically be added in, but it will be added in as episode 1. So if I click done, I already have IGTV Updates and Hacks episode 1, and I click done again. Then I'm going to go back to my Instagram account, and as you see here on the left, we've got series. Now I have IGTV Updates and Hacks as a series, and I also have my Facebook Biz Page help as a series. So then I'm going to click on it, and as you see, I have my first video. Now I'm going to add another video to this. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go down into my IGTV, and I'm going to go to my second video of my IGTV how-to videos, and I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to go down to the 3 little dots, and I'm going to click edit. Now at the bottom, it says add to series, and the IGTV Updates and Hacks is there. And you see that the first video I put in, it's episode 1. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to click done. So now what happens is that, as you can see, it says IGTV Updates and Hacks episode 2. So that's this video, and I'm going to click done. I'm going to go back to my Instagram account. But before I do that, as you can see, it's already put my video into IGTV Updates and Hacks as a series written in front of the video. So I'm going to close that down, and I'm going to go to the top of my Instagram account, and I'm going to go to my series, and we have IGTV Updates and Hacks. And as you can see here, I have 2 videos showing. The top one's the episode 1 is at the top, and episode 2 is at the bottom. Now, there are 3 little dots at the top right-hand side. Now, everybody who knows me knows that these 3 little dots are the magic entry into a lot of different features, whether that be on IGTV, Instagram, Facebook, wherever. Those 3 little dots are the magic window into a further menu. So you're going to click those 3 little dots. And as you see at the bottom, it says you can delete your series or you can edit your series. If you edit your series, it only gives you the option to edit the title and the description. It doesn't give you the option to edit or reorder your videos. So all you have to do if you want to delete your series is to go to the 3 little dots and click delete series, and that will remove the series from your IGTV. So that's why if you are putting your videos from your current IGTV collection into series, to have a little look and to make sure that you put them in the order that you want them to appear, with the first one being added will be at the top. Hopefully, at some point, Instagram will introduce a way of us reordering our episodes, but for the time being, be strategic about how you place your series and your episodes together. Okay, so I've just showed you how to add a current video to a series that you've just created on your account. Now, if you already have a series, all you have to do is check out what the series are called. So we've got Facebook Biz page and we've got IGTV Updates. If I click on the Facebook Biz page, as you can see, we've got the 1 video in there. So if I want to add another one to that video, I have to go down and find out if I've got any other Facebook business page videos that I want to go in there. So I've got, let's have a little look. Okay, I've got this one, how to adjust your Facebook privacy settings. So if I click that, I can again go down to the 3 little dots at the bottom, click edit, add it to my Facebook Biz page help series, click done. As you see, because it's the second video that I've added, it's gone as episode 2, and click done again. And it's automatically been added to that series. Go back to your page just to double check. Go to the series tab, Facebook Biz page help. Now I have 2 videos inside that series. So stay tuned when I show you how to upload a new IGTV video direct to your IGTV account and add it to a series at the same time so that you don't have to reorder your videos in the future. So please subscribe to my channel. Give me the thumbs up if you like my videos. Give me some love. And also, if you want to, leave a comment below. If you have any questions, pop those in the comments as well, and I'll endeavour to answer them as soon as I can.